welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Around puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Alex Malekov and made by Rex Rosana Perez from Acrylic. The difficulty level of the Around puzzle is 6 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to move the parts in such a way that all arrows will be facing the opposite direction. Right now all arrows are facing to the right, the clockwise, but you have to make them facing the left, counterclockwise. That means that you have to put these two parts on the bottom, these two on top, and switch places of these two parts. But as you can see, there are only 3 spots left here to move the parts, 3 square spots. And maybe it still looks easy for you, since there are beautiful yellow pieces here and you can easily slide them left and right. But very soon you will realize that it is much more complicated than it looks, and after a couple of moves you will get stuck and you don't know what to do next, and you will spend a lot of time doing exactly the same moves again and again until suddenly you will find solution. But still, even when you find solution, it is very difficult to understand what just happened, and you want to solve it again and again until you will be able to figure out the exact solution of the puzzle. So it's a great puzzle, simple looking but quite difficult to solve. If you like the Around puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.